Are you born before 1975? You're eligible for our home visit service. Here.com is offering a special home visit service to the first 500 Indians who are born before 1975. The home service includes a detailed hearing test and exclusive trial of the latest German hearing aids. Introducing Stiletto iX, the hearing aid that's as stylish as it is powerful, slim, discreet, and comfortable design, made to fit seamlessly into every moment of your life. From dinner with family to heartwarming video calls, from watching your favorite TV shows to confidently driving your car, it keeps you connected to every sound that matters. So wait no more. Click below and claim your home visit appointment today.